10 causes of grinding noise when braking pads are fine and reason new brakes make grinding noise at low speed. If your car makes grinding noises when braking, then it signifies a warning sign indicating a problem with either the brakes or the rotors. Never overlook the braking noises from your car for fear of repair cost. If you delay rectifying the issue and continue using the car, it may eventually cost a huge amount of money to fix, a cost that could have been avoided if you had checked it earlier. We have brought you the 10 possible causes of grinding noises when braking pads are fine. Before we dive in, please subscribe, like, and share for more videos. 1. Solids lodged between rotor and caliper. Components of the rotor and caliper can catch grime, dirt, and dust. This is considered normal. However, it may lead to a problem when small rocks or other solid objects from the road lodge between the caliper and rotor. This can lead to the brakes making grinding noise whether you push the brake or not. Solid objects between these components can lead to major damage. 2. Worn out brake pads. One of the causes of your car making grinding noise when braking is worn out brake pads. You need to change your braking pads if you have used them for a long time. Worn out brake pads makes the backing plates to steadily lose its material, thereby causing metal touching other metal, resulting in squeaking noises. The rotor can also rub against the caliper, scraping its metal surface. If left unchecked for long, the brakes will get broken down severely. 3. Worn out rotor discs. Another possible cause of grinding noises when braking are worn out rotor discs. Squeaking sounds can emanate from a rotor discs that aren't flat. Worn out rotor discs will create scraping sounds and a lot of vibrations from the braking system. These vibrations come at uneven forms and can be felt through the brake pedal. 4. Poor quality of brake pads. It is wrong for you to buy a low-quality brake pad simply because you want to save cost. Low-grade quality brake pads contain metal chunks, which will rub and scrape on the surface of the rotor, leading to serious damages. Instead of low-quality brake pads, go for good products from reliable brand. It may be expensive, but it would eventually save you cost from huge repairs that poor braking pads would cause. 5. Broken shims. Broken shims are yet another possible cause of the grinding noise when braking. A worn-out shim will make contact with the rotor, and this will generate a grinding sound from the braking system. Ensure you or your mechanic replace the shims whenever you work on your brake. 6. Caliper bolts that aren't lubricated. Grinding sound when braking can also be caused by caliper bolts that are not lubricated. Though this is rare, there's still a possibility that it could. An auto mechanic will have to replace new caliper bolts for you during repairs. 7. Not driving the car often. Your car may be making a grinding noise when braking due to not driving it regularly. The average lifespan of brake pads is 20,000 miles. However, leaving your automobile in your garage for weeks can cause the brake pads not to last that long. 8. Broken down wheel bearing. Grinding noises emanating from your wheels or quiet to loud vibrations may be caused by worn out or damaged wheel bearing. Check the wheel bearings and switch them if necessary to get rid of those grinding sounds. 9. Brake drums. Most vehicles have drum brakes and back. Brake drums, just like rotors, get resurfaced once in a while. The cutting bit on the brake lathe takes out the old braking surface, exposing a nice new mating surface. The cutting bit will form a groove in the brake drum during this process. This furrow will be so small that the naked eye can't see it. Now, when the brake shoes ride on the new surface, they will follow the groove. If the groove is interjected, the shoes snap back, striking the backing plate. This causes an annoying thumping or grinding noise. 10. Not lubricating brake pad. You have to properly lubricate the backside of the brake pads when you are installing a brake pad. You can lubricate using a brake caliper lube. Failure to lubricate this part can cause the metal of the pads and the metal of the caliper piston to rub against each other, causing grinding noises. Also, ensure you lubricate the caliper slider pins, which connect the two sides of the brake caliper together before reinstalling. What is the consequence of ignoring brakes making grinding noise? You should never ignore a grinding noise when braking because it could put in safety in danger. Pushing the brake pedal causes the car to generate plenty of heat energy through friction. Though necessary, this action can cause the brake pads to wear out over time, leading to a damaged rotor and caliper, which can cause the brake to fail. If your brakes are faulty and left unchecked, it can lead to accidents that can claim lives. Driving your car on grinding brakes for 2 weeks is probably too long and risky. Though you can still use it for some time provided you don't use the brakes too hard. But it is better to buy a set of brake pads and have them changed with the old one immediately you notice the grinding sounds. Why my new brakes make grinding noise at low speed? The brand or type of the pads and rotors purchased may be responsible for why your new brakes make grinding noise at low speed. Some types of brake pads can make squealing or grinding noise when brakes are applied even when new. These type are made from metal composite material. So, it is best to carry out a research about the brand and what to expect before purchasing. Below are some signs to look out for to ascertain if you ought to take your car for brake repair. Brakes making a grinding noise that can be felt in the pedal. If this happens, you have to stop driving immediately and have your vehicle towed to a brake repair shop. Because driving it further can damage the brake discs or drums, which are quite expensive. Car travels too far before coming to a stop in traffic. This could mean adjusting our brakes or getting new brake linings. Vehicle pulls to one side of road when you apply brake. A brake fluid leak or stuck caliper can cause this problem for vehicles with front disc brakes. Brake pedal thump up and down when you stop in a non-emergency situation. A thumping brake pedal is caused by excessive lateral runout. Steering wheel shake when you brake. If your steering wheel shake when you brake and you have disc brakes, then your front brake discs need to be replaced. Squeaky brakes when you stop fairly short. Squealing can be caused by worn-out brake linings that requires replacement. Your vehicle bounces up and down when you stop short. This means that your shock absorbers needs replacement. Rusty film on your front wheels. Rusty dust on your front wheels and a rusty spray on the front doors and fenders are a result of disc brakes that have completely worn the pads off and are now metal on metal. Avoid driving your car in this condition as it is very unsafe. The safety parts of your vehicle are controlled by the braking system. So, don't ignore any warning signs. If you notice any warning signs like squeaky or grinding sound when braking, ensure you get your vehicle checked immediately. Fixing a brake for one wheel including new calipers, pad replacement, new rotors can cost you from $300 to $800, including the cost of labor. However, this depends on your car and other factors. Note that if all of these parts require replacement, then you should budget about $1,000 or above. Though the average cost of replacing brakes and rotors is around $500.